In order for movement to be produced, a muscle must pull on a bone. It is important to always remember that a muscle will only ever pull on a bone, never push. So when a muscle pulls its distal attachment point towards its proximal attachment, movement is produced. Much like if I were to pull the strings on a puppet. Now, the correct terminology to use to describe the attachment points of muscles are the words origin and insertion. The origin of a muscle is the end of a muscle that is proximal or closer to the trunk, whereas the insertion is the distal end or furthest away from the trunk. The origin can also be described as being the bone which is still when the muscle contracts and the moving bone the insertion. For example, with the biceps brachii. This end of the biceps is the origin and this end is the insertion because as the biceps contract, the radius moves towards the humerus. All muscles have distinct fiber directions. Using the biceps again as an example, we would see that the fibers run this way. Muscles will always pull in the direction of their muscle fiber arrangement. Hence, that's why when contracted, the movement is on the same line.